leave the children our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found any who fulfill my needs. A lonely place to be. And so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. And if I chance a special place that you've been dreaming of, lead you to a lonely place, find your strength in love. The song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find relief. Oh, the time has come for margins to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, or 'cause you won't listen. Listen, I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, but I and sometimes we need to walk alone. And you and come in, can you hear me? I'm saying I'm sorry. There is so much that I want you to know. I'm counting on someday you'll wake up and see me. Till then, well, let it go. I'm over and out. There is nothing to regret now. All that has been left out are the ones that lead us home. Life is always ever changing. When all is said and done, sometimes we need to move along. And you and come in, can you hear me? I'm saying I'm sorry. There is so much that I want you to know. I'm counting on someday you'll wake up and see me. Till then, well, let it go. I'm over. Can't keep going around, round and round the same old place. Can you see me now? Now I'm over and out. Come in, can you hear me? I'm saying I'm sorry. There is so much they don't want you to know. I'm calling on someday you'll wake up and see me still. Then we let it go. I'm over and down. And I will always love you. Will always love you. I will always love you. I will always love you.
Once we had it all for the taking. Lovers just me and you. You better think twice about the plans that you're making of splitting one world in two. Put your mind in dub, do you think about everything that we're missing? Then you make me see what is best for me, 'cause I just won't listen, baby. No, 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 I don't need nobody, anyone to take your place but you. No, 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 I just couldn't fall for it.